Cordial saludo. A continuación se va a presenciar la evidencia de la guía 4 video. Iniciamos con la trayectoria, planes, acciones y soluciones de su contexto académico laboral. Quien les habla Leonardo Antonio Jaramillo Toro, ficha 2977248, instructor José Duarte. Introducción. Introduction my academic and professional background. Leadership and professional responsibility. In this presentation, I will share my academic and professional experience and background, highlighting my skill and achievements in leadership and professional responsibility. Academic career. My academic career, I studied at this professional institution where it is an honor to continue belonging to this current family. I graduated in 2022 with a degree in agricultural system. During my students, I focused on leading my team to achieve our goal. My academic experience allowed me to develop skills in research analysis and problem solving. In addition, I participated as a student spokesperson, which allowed me to apply my knowledge in skills in a practical context. This helped me develop skills in the work, effective communication, and leadership. Career path. My career path. I have worked in various positions, from administrator to kitchen assistant. My work experience has allowed me to develop skills in different personal contexts throughout my life. I have worked as team with colleagues and superiors to achieve objectives and goals, always keeping in mind my personal goal of learning every day. Furthermore, I have participated as a leader in all contexts throughout my life, as it allowed me to apply my knowledge and skills in a practical context. This helps me develop skills in problem solving, decision making, and leadership. Leadership and a professional responsibility. Throughout my academic and professional career, I have developed leadership skills and professional responsibility. I have learned to work in a team, make informed decisions, and take responsibility for my actions. I have demonstrated leadership skills in various academic and professional settings where I have demonstrated responsibility, respect, and kindness. This has allowed me to develop skills in motivation, faith, communication, and conflict resolution. Challenges and solutions. Some of the challenges I face in my academic and professional career have been the feedback we received after a difficult challenge. However, I found solutions such as meditating and learning to strengthen my weakness and turn them into skill to improve my personal environment. Plans and action. My plans for the future are to avoid a university degree, one election as a state representative, and be financially independent with hope security. To achieve these plans, I will take the well-being action, define my clear and measurable goals, assign responsibility and resources, and monitor and adjust the plan. This increases my chance of success. Conclusion. Conclusion. My academic and professional journey has been a journey of learning and growth. I have developed leadership skills, professional responsibility, flexibility, and adaptability. They will allow me to face challenges and achieve my goals in the future. I would like to thank all those who have supported me throughout my academic and professional journey. I am seeking to face new challenges. Thank you so much.